Hi everyone, today with me I have this gorgeous French door opening air fryer, and I have so much to tell you about it. So I'm going to start right here at the top in this gorgeous LED display. It has so many settings that are already there for you, such as fries, toast, chicken, pizza, grilling, so much, and it comes with so many accessories as well. So right here you have the button to choose between all the different presets, or you can make your own by clicking on the temperature, and then you can alter it up or down. Same with timing, you can change that as well. You also have your start and pause button and your cancel button, and we have even a little fan right here, which you can alter how fast the speed is going, and of course the oven light so that you can check it out inside. So let's take a look in there, and that's where we're gonna find our first accessory, the trip tray. So this slides all the way out, and you can absolutely clean this off when it gets full of crumbs, cheese, whatever you're baking in there can always be clean because the drip tray is there. And I think that is an absolute must-have for me. And I also love how you close one door and the other comes with. Same thing when you open it, so you can just pull one of the handles. You don't have to pull two. Here at the front, we're going to see that there's so many different levels to this air fryer. All the way in the top, you're going to put things that you want to broil. Down, you're going to put steaks, then rotisseries, bake and toast, air fry and eggs, pizza, and grilling or slow cooking. So it can do so much in one simple device. And now we're going to check out all the accessories that it comes with. The first accessory we're going to talk about is the rotisserie spade. This one spins around so you can make rotisserie chickens, and it even comes with this called a fetch tool, which sticks perfectly inside here so it can help you pull the item out without getting burned. Next up, we have the normal wire rack. This is great if you just want to put some toast, maybe some pizza, and of course it can fit whichever way you want it, through the top for boiling or all the way in the bottom for slow roasting. The baking pan is awesome as well. If you like making cookies just like me, you can definitely do it in an air fryer as well by using the baking pan. But maybe you're more into steaks, don't worry. They also have this great grill right here, which is great for burgers, steaks, veggies, and more. And you put it all the way in the bottom so you can grill all different things. The grill does get hot, so they also send you this grill plate holder, which fits on the grill plate so you can pull it out without burning yourself. And lastly, we have the crisper tray, awesome for making any type of fries. It's gonna come out super crispy, so I definitely recommend you guys use this one. With all those accessories in mind, I definitely recommend you guys check this air fryer out on Amazon. It is absolutely gorgeous, sleek, it's going to look great in your kitchen, and it has so many different usages. Whether you want to slow cook, make fish, fries, toast, you can do so much in one gadget, which makes it that much more worth it. Go check it out.